everybody, I'm Hung from PO Education, and now I will talk about a very interesting topic. It is how does the immune systems work? So, first, you need to know what is immune systems. Immune systems is a vast network of cells, tissues, and organs that coordinate your body's defenses against some threats to your health. Unless you have it, you will be exposed to billions of bacteria, viruses, and toxins that could make something important like a paper cut or a seasonal cold fatal. So, the immune systems rely on millions of white blood cells, like they are so called leukocytes that originate in our bone marrow, and these cells migrate into the bloodstream and the lymphatic stream and the lymphatic systems, like a network of vessels which helps clear bodily toxins and waste. So our bodies are teeming with leukocytes. There are around 4,000 to around 4,000 to 11,000 in every microliter of blood. So when they move when they move around, leukocytes work like securities, like constantly screening the blood, tissues, and organs for some suspicious signs, and this system mainly relies on cues called antigens. These molecular traces on the surface of the pathogens and other foreign substances betray the presence of invaders. So as soon as the leukocytes detect them, it only take a minute. It only take a minute for the body's protective immune response to kick in. So, despite this diversity, we classified leukocytes into two main groups, which is which is which coordinate a two-pronged attack. First, phagocytes trigger the immune system's responses by sending like macrophages or dendritic cells into the blood. So at as these circulate, they destroy any foreign cells they encounter, simply by consuming them, and that allow phagocytes to identify the antigens on the invaders. So they just ingested and transmit this information to the second major cells group, orchestrating the descent. So there's a group of lymphocytes called T cells. It used to search some infected body cells and kill them. So meanwhile, B cells and helper T cells use the information gathered from some unique antigens to start producing special proteins called antibodies. So this is the piece of so and antigens. So each antigen has a unique matching antibody that can latch onto it like a lock and key and destroy the invading cells. Like B cells can produce millions of antibodies, which then circle through the body and attack invaders until the worst of the threat until the worst of the threat is neutralized. So some symptoms of the immune system work like the high body's temperature, like because it can slow down invaders, and because the invader is temperature sensitive, or or when when you're swelling, because the body cells are damaged, and that release chemicals that make food leak into the surrounding tissues. So so there is very interesting that immune system memor- can memorize the bacteria and viruses, like it remember the invaders, like it antigens, it can stop them, it can stop them faster in the future. And because the B and T cells can produce the correct antibodies to tackle them. So for so our immune system is very important. Without it, we can face a lot of fatality in our life. Like we just small injuries can kill us. So so I, I advise you to do some work, to do something that can increase, like that can empower your immune systems, like you do more exercise, or eat more veggies that contains vitamin, especially vitamin C's. So I hope you to have a healthy life to make your immune system better. Thank you for listening.